Yo! Alright, so we're gonna see if there's a car meet. Apparently some bikes there. We'll rock up with the old Bandit. This guy in front is definitely going to a car meet. Must be. Eco Boom. This road's so smooth. Yeah, so we'll see what the crack is. Just turn up. Probably everyone's got souped up bikes. New band. I could bet there's new Ducatis. I bet you there's new Ducatis. BMW S1000s. Nah, I don't know. We'll see. I need to take this neck warmer off. Jesus, it's choking me out. I can't breathe. Can't even turn my head. I'm like, I feel like Kurt Angle, but I haven't got the angle. Bom, 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 bom. Gotta make it. Bom, 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 bom. Where is it? There's a car meet. Loads of people here. The souped up cars. They're going because it's like, and there's no bikes. I thought there was going to be bikes there, but there's literally no bikes. That's nice. That is smart. Go, mate. Some nice cars. Don't know nothing about cars really. I know a bit more about bikes, but nothing about cars. Yeah, so that wasn't the coolest car meet I've ever seen. And when it's like controlled like that, and they all get an area to actually put their cars in, it's an arranged meet. I think that's what most of the community want. They don't want like boy races tearing up the streets outside their house. You can't complain when it's a place like that. They put it together a lot better. What a nice day. I'm lucky.